Good evening, friends. Today I will discuss the chapter matter in our surrounding, and I have discussed the chapter earlier also. You please see the first two videos. Before watching this video, please see part 1 of this matter in our surrounding. Then you will have a good concept. So today I will discuss the topic states of matter, and second, can matter change its state? This topic I will cover full. In this topic I will make another video. So states of matter consist of solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. States of matter consist of solid, liquid, gas. Now solid. The properties of solid are they have specific shape. They have distinct boundaries. They have volume. This is a solid. They have specific shape. They have distinct boundaries. They have volume. Length into breadth into height. So in solid there is a less kinetic energy and solid cannot be compressed. Force of attraction is maximum in solid. So the properties of solids are they have specific shape, they have distinct boundaries and they have volume. And in solid the particles have less kinetic energy. They cannot be compressed and force of attraction is maximum. That's why they cannot be compressed and they have less kinetic energy. So as the force of attraction is maximum, so there is not much gap in between the particles of solid. So liquid. Properties of liquid are they have fixed volume, do not have fixed shape. They do not have fixed shape. That's why they take the shape of container in which they are poured. Force of attraction is less than solid. They are compressible. They have high kinetic energy because the particles of liquids have a gap in between the particles. The gap is more compared to solid. That is why they are compressible and they have high kinetic energy, and the force of attraction is less. That is why they have high space in between the particles. So one question is that can matter can other matter diffuse in liquid like solid? Whether solid can diffuse in liquid, whether gas can diffuse in liquid, the answer is yes. Other matter can diffuse in liquids, whether it is solid, liquid or gas. This is so because there is space between the particles. Answer is yes. This is because there is space between the particles, so other particles can adjust in between the particles of liquid. So let's see some examples like solid in liquid, sugar and tea, liquid in liquid, ink plus water, gas in liquid like oxygen and carbon dioxide which are present in water. So now the gaseous state. Properties of gaseous state is that they do not have fixed volume, do not have fixed shape. They do not have fixed volume and they do not have fixed shape. So there is a least or no force of attraction. They are easily compressible. There is a maximum kinetic energy. There is a maximum kinetic energy. That means as there is no force of attraction, so in between the particles the gap is very much as compared to liquid, so they can flow anywhere. That is why they are easily compressible and also they have maximum kinetic energy. One question is that which you should prepare. The question is different in the characteristic. Difference in the characteristic of states of matter. Like solid, you should prepare a table like solid, here it is solid, here it is liquid, and here it is gas. You should write all their property 1, 2, 3, 4 like this way. You should write all this property. So I am telling some of the properties. Solids have definite shape, liquid indefinite shape, gas indefinite shape. Definite volume, indefinite volume. Maximum force of attraction, less force of attraction as compared to solid, no force of attraction or negligible force of attraction. They cannot be compressed. They can be compressed, they can be compressed. Kinetic energy is minimum, kinetic energy is more as compared to solid, kinetic energy is very high. Particles can move, rather they vibrate only at their fixed position. Particles can slide over one another, particles can move freely. Here particles cannot move freely or cannot vibrate freely. Here particles can move or slip over one another. Here the particles are free to move where there is a lot of kinetic energy and there is less force of attraction in gaseous particles. In this way, you should prepare a table, distinguishing table of solid, liquid and gas. Now the question is that can matter change its state? This is the second topic. So the first topic is that states of matter. There is 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. I have discussed the properties of solid, liquid and gas. So now tell me, in which of these state the kinetic energy will be more? The kinetic energy will be more in gaseous state, then it will be in liquid state. The kinetic energy is less than the kinetic energy is in liquid state, the kinetic energy is less than gas state. In solid state, the kinetic energy is less than liquid state. The force of attraction is more in solid state. The force of attraction is less in liquid state. The force of attraction is less than solid state. In gaseous state, there is a minimum force of attraction or negligible force of attraction. Okay, let me now discuss the second topic. Can matter change its state? As we can see, ice changes to solid, water changes to liquid, water vapor is like gas. Ice is a solid, ice cannot change to solid. Ice is a solid, water is a liquid, water vapor is a gas. So these are the form of water. So by this example, I can say that yes, matter can change its state, because water can be solid, water can be liquid, water can be gas. Now let's see the effect of changing temperature. So as we have discussed the topic for 10 minutes, I will stop here. I will make another video in which I will cover the other aspect of this chapter. So please see the previous videos and also watch this video again and again if you don't understand. So if there is any doubt, please clarify your doubt by commenting in the comment section or mailing me at students@Adda2529@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a great day.